All right, so anybody that buys our credit repair course for $1,000, we're going to let you in our pre-litigation credit repair absolutely free. No extra fees. Get your credit fixed while learning how to fix other people's credit, and get your credit fixed by the best attorneys who are going to do their best to get you the best results possible, as well as the most money in your pocket for violations, as well as the most debts waived. Remember, for $1,000, you are getting the course. You're also getting the software that points out FCRA violations for you, which means you don't have to try to figure out if it's an FCRA violation or not. And on top of that, it's also going to put the attorney verbiage into letters for you, so you don't have to figure out how to dispute it to get the result that you want, which is sue them and make them pay for not fixing the FCRA violation. And on top of that, you're also going to be able to partner with the attorneys, and they pay $400 per violation for every client that you send to them that has violations. So I'm keeping this video short and sweet. Sorry about all the movement. I am walking. Just look at that view. Thinking about going down there, getting some shots in before Bible study later. So yeah, but anyway, $1,000 that gets you the course, gets you the software, gets you the partnership with the attorneys, and it's going to get your credit fixed absolutely free. If y'all have any questions, you can send me a text message to 512-567-5410, or you can email me at everythingcredit@icloud.com. Hope y'all have a great day.